How to book round trip in Uber. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can book a round trip in Uber. So, without any further ado, let's begin. First, open up your Uber. After you open it up, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now here, simply first what you'll do is select a drop-off location or a destination. Now you can simply set it on a map or do whatever you like. And after you set a location, you can go back and even set a pickup time. So let's do that here. Now you can select a pickup time for later or for now, and you can request your ride, but there is no current feature where you can book a round trip in Uber itself. You can talk to your rider and of your Uber and then fix a rate for the round trip, and in that way you can book the round trip in Uber, but there is no fixed feature for the round trip option. So yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys. That is how you can use the round trip in Uber. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video.